John Paul. Oh, damn. At that beautiful bottle. Ganda. Look at that. Ganda. It's one of the reasons why I bought this bottle. Kasi it's because of of course, the scent, the performance, and the design. It's just extraordinary compared to other perfume bottles. Oh, look at that. Paano ba to? Parang paano tanggalin to eh. Yun, ganun lang. Ganun lang pala. Ayan, di ba? Magamit ng ganda. Ito pa lang, panalo na. Ganda. Talagang pang collection. Diba? So, male elixir. Alright, 360.